Seeing red, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English learning session where we dive into colorful phrases of the English language. In this video, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, to see red. Stick around as we explore its origins, usage, and give you some tips on how to use it in your daily conversations. Whether you're an English learner or just someone who enjoys picking up new expressions, this video is for you. To see red is an idiomatic expression that means to become very angry or to lose temper. The color red is often associated with strong emotions, particularly anger. When someone says they saw red, it doesn't mean their vision was literally tinted red. Instead, it's a colorful way to describe the intensity of their anger at that moment. It's like saying that the anger is so overwhelming that it dominates their senses, akin to the color red, which is often visible at a great distance and commands attention. The exact origin of "to see red" isn't clear, but it's widely understood that the phrase draws on the historical belief that the color red angers bulls. This belief led to the use of red capes in bullfighting, which has been a part of the common language as a metaphor for provocation and strong emotion. In reality, bulls are colorblind to red, but the phrase has stuck and is now a common part of the English lexicon. To see red can be used in various contexts. Here are a few examples to help you understand how to incorporate this phrase into your speech. When I found out someone had scratched my car, I saw red. She saw red when she heard the unfair criticism from her boss. After waiting an hour past our appointment time, I was starting to see red. Notice that the phrase is usually used in past tense, saw red, to describe a situation that has already occurred. It's less common to say, I see red, about a current situation, though it's not incorrect. If you're looking to vary your language, there are several synonyms you can use for to see red. Some of these include to lose one's temper, to get angry, to be furious, to blow a fuse or to blow one's top. Using different phrases can help you sound more fluent and give you more ways to express the same emotion. While to see red is a commonly understood phrase in English, it's important to use it correctly to ensure clear communication. Since it signifies extreme anger, it's best used in situations that warrant such a strong reaction. Also, consider the cultural context. What is considered a reason to see red may vary from culture to culture. Understanding the intensity behind the phrase will help you avoid miscommunication or offending someone unintentionally. I hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of what it means to see red, and how you can use this expression in your daily English conversations. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a great way to enrich your language skills and express yourself more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice what you've learned today. See you in the next video, and until then, keep calm and learn on.